Hey guys, welcome back. I thought I should show you how I make this delicious chili sauce. This homemade red chili sauce makes a great dip or great accompaniment to many dishes. It has a rich flavor also more than store-bought. Before I show you how to make this, let me show you what it is like. This is thick with rich flavor. You can easily make this at home with just some simple ingredients and you're good to go. So let me show you how I make this. Keep watching. For this red chili sauce, I have some chilies here. They are looking very fresh. I have 2 tablespoons of sugar, 1/4 cup of vinegar, a teaspoon of salt, 6 cloves of garlic, a piece, just a small piece of ginger, and a medium red onion. So these are the things we are going to work with. I'm going to take this aside. Using about 20 pieces of red chilies, you can choose to increase this or reduce this. It depends on the quantity of sauce you want to prepare. I'll just bring the red chilies into a bowl. We are going to rinse it under running water. After we've rinsed this, we are going to remove the green stalk. I'm going to use a kitchen knife to pull this out. Then after removing that, I'm going to cut this into smaller sizes. If you don't like your chili sauce very spicy, you can try taking out some of the seeds. But we are making a very hot sauce here, so there will be no need to take that out. I just bring everything into one bowl, then set this aside. So I'm going to start chopping the onions, then mince the garlic and the ginger into smaller pieces. I'll go ahead and toast the onion, garlic and ginger in the oil. So I added 2 tablespoons of oil to the pan. Then I'm going to add the onion, the garlic and ginger to it. I'll just quickly brown this nicely on medium heat. Obviously this is going to add a very nice fragrance to the red chili sauce. Once they're nicely brown, I'm going to take this off from heat. Into the blender, I'm going to combine the chilies, the sugar, salt, vinegar, and a little bit of water. We are going to blend this into a smooth puree. After blending this for just a few minutes, I have this chunky texture. I'm going to bring in the onion, garlic, and ginger into it straight away. So because the chili is still tasting raw, I'm going to bring this into a medium pot. I'm going to place this on heat to boil for some minutes before I transfer it into a jar. So now I'm going to place this on an electric cooker. Place a lid over it. I'll be stirring this from time to time. Now the liquid in the sauce has reduced and the sauce is becoming thick, so I'll just cook this for just a few minutes more. I'm satisfied with the texture. This is the way it is. I'm going to take this off heat. Once the sauce has cooled down, I'm going to pour this into a jar. You can use any container with a fitting lid. That's what it is. Here is your red chili sauce. It tastes really good. It can go with anything like scrambled egg, tortilla chips, and peppered meat. So you can store this in the fridge for 3 weeks or freeze this for 3 months and use it whenever it is needed. I hope you like this video. Thank you guys for watching. Remember to subscribe to my channel, like my video, share this also with your friends, and also let me know if you have prepared this. Thank you for watching. Bye.